Alrighty guys, right now we're doing a quick car update. Ignore them talking, but so right now we're working on getting this piece off to try and fix it.
I think we'll just weld it right in place. We use plastic weld right through here and we'll sand it down.
Okay, I guess we're just gonna weld it right in place.
I can't really get it open without damaging it further.
Yeah, it looks like it's already broken quite a bit.
Yeah, so why don't we do that?
Yeah, and next off, we gotta try and figure out how to make this trim piece stay on here.
Yeah, it won't stay on, so we're gonna have to, I think, just glue it on.
Yeah, I think gluing will do.
I'm gonna have to.
Oh, hi Panda.
Look, tell me again, DJ, it's by the school.
After he's finished videoing.
Okay.
And so yeah, I'm just gonna give you another car update for today. So I forgot to tell you this, but a while ago it was at the mechanic. Had the you obviously know the head gasket was replaced, but also the spark plugs and wires were replaced, and the fuel injectors were replaced, so it drives a lot more smoothly now. And yeah. Let's see, let me think of what else I'm going to say for this update. And sorry if you haven't seen any videos in quite a while. I've just been busy with school and stuff and haven't had as much time to make anything. So now I guess I'll see you later once we weld this piece in place. And I guess that's pretty much all we're gonna do today. I'll see you guys once we figure that out. Alrighty, now let me show you just what we've done so far. So right here, if you look, we've fixed that crack a bit. And there's also another piece we gotta fix eventually once we wait 15 minutes for that to dry. And I'm going into the garage to show you exactly what we've been using for that. Alrighty, so now let's see, we're using JB Weld to fix this.
That's what it is, yeah.
Yep. And so what we need to do is we need to mix that together for it to work. And then we can just smear it on there. And yeah, that's how we're fixing most of the cracks right now. Yeah. And once they dry up, we'll tape them.
It's very hard, so you have to get on it here. So it shows mixing it here. See, to mix you have to mix it so that it's all black.
Yep.
And it's called a catalyst. Catalyst is something that makes things happen, right?
Yep.
Okay. Now we got a little bit on here. Let's see how it goes on here.
Let's see how it goes.
Just put it on. I've used this on engines even. It works pretty good.
Wow. That's nice.
Pretty strong once it sets up. You want to do something? Just turn your camera off. I want you to do a little bit.
Alrighty. That's just showing a little bit of how we do it. Now I'm gonna shut this camera off and put my gloves back on and do this. And I'll show you the progress later. Hello guys. Today I'm just gonna conclude today's car update. What?
I think glue holds pretty good, but what we could do is just put some glue right in there and I'll just hold it down, let it...
Okay, I think that'll work.
That might work.
On the seat?
You have to hold on. That other glue sets pretty fast. This stuff is much slower. I think I might do that. I think, you know, then we could do is just use some more masking tape to hold it once we get it on there.
And as I was gonna say, we use the JB Weld stuff to hold that together.
Yeah.
And we still gotta finish it up a little bit.
Sand it. We'll sand it.
I'll sand it.
And then maybe paint it, or maybe cover it with wrap. I think we might be able to just paint it with vinyl paint.
And next thing I'm going to show you is this handle is no longer loose anymore, and this door trim piece was just glued. And
I did with this. Let me show you. I did with that other thing. Painted it.
okay. Let's see.
We've got to put something over that. So you see that still?
Yep. See, this is our little test piece, the cassette holder.
I think we should cover that. It's all sealed now. It's just, remember, this was all cracked.
Yep, crack's all sealed, and we should probably just cover it.
I think it needs to be sanded some more and then maybe hit again.
Yeah.
Pretty crummy piece of material. I can go over it with a wrap.
Okay. So anyways, that is it for today's car update. All we did was start fixing those cracks a little bit, and that cassette holder is probably not gonna be here forever. It's probably gonna be replaced with an armrest eventually. So yeah, that is just it for today's car update. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, it was at the mechanic. Obviously, head gasket was replaced. Also, the fuel injectors and spark plugs and wires were replaced. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Wait, one more update before the video ends. As you can see right here, we just used a little tape to fix those tears in the leather for right now. And yeah, that's my final part of the update. See you next time.